Hey, welcome back. It's JustRajViews, and today we're going to be another unboxing video, Unboxing Thursdays again. So as you may have noticed, I have a lot of products in front of me today, so we're going to do a little different today. It's another episode, another special kind of episode where as you can already know from the title, it's going to be five things. It's going to be 5 things that's going to be really like cheap, and it's also probably something that you might actually consider buying for your phone. Alright, so you may have noticed that there's probably like 7, but it's 5. It's just that there's one that I bought 3 just because, you know, I think that's going to be actually very useful. So cut to the chase, let's get straight into our first product. Alright, okay, so let me just, okay, so as you can notice that this is a cell phone bracket. You might notice that you might be wondering like why is it like pyramid? What is this? Is this a game? No, it's not a game. In fact, at the back it's already written how you're supposed to use it for your phone, right? As you can see, it's at the back. So I'm just gonna straight away open it. It's obviously, you might notice it's not really good packaging. It's just a single box with a product. Oh wow, okay, it's bigger than I thought it would be. Okay, so that's how it is. That's the bracket. It's a real life pyramid kind of form, slightly slanting in a way. Okay, that's nice. And okay, it has rubber bottoms. It has rubber bottoms so that it's not going to be slipping. And it also has a bracket here, like I guess a small little plastic end that just holds your phone. So as a test, I got a very nice phone here, Asus. So let's just see how well does it sit. Okay, it sits well. So this angle is a very lean angle, whereas this is a bit more down. That means this allows you to watch video better. For me, I prefer I prefer this angle, and this is a bit lifted. Okay, alright. Okay, so it's a very simple product. This is only for 3 ringgit. Only for 3 ringgit. Alright, so that's the first product. Okay, now this product is something that I'm actually kind of curious about, because I saw it and I was like, is it actually going to be steady? Is it going to be like worth holding? Is it actually going to be strong? Like this, it's a car phone holder. I guess you put it in your car, or you put it somewhere on the mirror, and then, you know, it just holds your phone. So my question was, when I bought this, it was for, you may never guess, it was actually only for 2 ringgit. So like 2 ringgit, that's like half a dollar, right? So this is only for 2 ringgit, and I had my questions. I really had my questions. I was like, 2 ringgit for such a expensive, I mean basically expensive, because there's a metal rod in it, and then there's the plastic, and both sides of plastic, and this needs to be good. So I was like, you know, let's just test it out. And I can't prove any glass right now, but I have the table, so this is how it goes, and on any other places. And normally you just stick it on, right? This has actually a lock, so right now I'm gonna lock it. So that's locked, right? It's locked. And if you don't believe me, there. Okay, that's quite hard. That's actually quite, I'm surprised. I thought I'd be stronger than that. Alright, okay, so that's hard, and that's the unlock. And apparently this allows you to pick it up with ease. So if you put it on a glass, right, and you lock it, and you unlock it, and if it still doesn't come off, just hold this slight bit at the end here. If you may notice, there's a very slight bit at the end there. You just pull that, and then that's it. Just for an example demo again. So I'm going to be using the phone just to see how well does it grip. So it holds pretty well, I guess. It's been holding pretty well. Okay, it doesn't drop. Okay, good enough. And let's try. So I'm just going to be sticking it here. Okay, so and you can actually adjust this, so it's adjustable. I mean, I guess everything nowadays is adjustable. So unlock, unhook, and then try it on your phone. Alright, this portable gamepad. You must be wondering, like, isn't this already out? Isn't this like why are you showing this? Why are you like reviewing this? I'm like, cause it's 8 ringgit. Like literally, it says here 8 ringgit. It actually just says 8 ringgit, you know. So Yes, I bought it because I was intrigued by the price, and also I was thinking that there's no way they're gonna make such a gamepad for just 8 ringgit. So let's review it. Oh!